Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour. This first order is a McDonald's going about 3 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next up, got a Jack in the Box. This one is going 3 miles.
Hi, what can I go serve you?
Thank you. Total for that one was $9 and change. Pretty good tip on that one. Ooh. A customer added a $1 tip to a previous Jack in the Box order. I don't remember what the total was for that, even though it was 5 minutes ago. But whatever it was, add $1 to it. Even better. Thank you, thank you. This is a Muchas Gracias, $8 going just under 5 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Next order up, got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $8 going 3 miles, 5 items. Next up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is $6 and change going about 3 miles. Still on my way to the restaurant and they're giving me an add-on order. This is Starbucks, $5 going less than a mile. Thank you.
Yeah, of course, Tracy.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Seize the Bagel, $6 going less than a mile. Haley.
Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day. Next up is a Chick-fil-A. This one is $7 and change going just under 3 miles. Going right back to Chick-fil-A for this one. This is going about 5 miles. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Total for that was $8 and change, and got this right away. This is a Taco Bell going 1 mile. Thank you. I got that add-on as I was waiting for that first order. It's going an extra mile. Total for that stack was just under $15. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. I don't remember the details on this one. It was something good going 2 miles. I think it was $8.
A Blatt sandwich. Your name is not Blatt. There's a Blatt sandwich for you.
Man, people drive so slow. This traffic cost me a really good order, by the way. And I get a red light. Nice, nice. I could have accepted a really good order that was like $13 going 2 miles, but it's just gonna take too long to drop this one off now. It would have made me late for the other one. Go, man! Got this one as I was dropping off. This is a shop and deliver for Fred Meyer. $10 going 3 miles, 3 items. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a kitchen table cafe, $10 going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, time to go home. Current time is 9:43. Current total is 104 and waiting on Uber tips, so that should bring it up to at least 110, probably more. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.